How to hide specific people from seeing your Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your Instagram story from specific people. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as story, live and location. So there you can just tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll see the option labeled as hide story and live. So just select that option. And here after that, what you can do in this section is you can just select the people that you want to hide your story from. And here once you have selected that, you can just tap on finished. And here the selected people won't be able to see your Instagram stories or live videos. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.